Have you ever wondered how you would get your Opay bank statement of account and make use of it while going through your online registrations? Hi, my name is Sivalana Chase, and that is the topic for today's video. On our video tutorial today, I want to show you how to create and how to also redeem your bank statement of account using the popular Opay app. This video isn't sponsored. This is just for educational purpose because a lot of people are finding it difficult to get their Opay bank statement of account. So you want to see how that is done. Don't forget to stick around to the end of this video. Also, like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to smash on your notification bell so YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop educative videos like this. At the end of today's video, you would have learned how to get your statement of account and also taught your friends how to do that from the comfort of your home, so you can register for your dollar account using Gray or GigPay. So come along with me, let me show you how this is done. Hi, welcome back. So I'm already on my Opay app, and this is my Opay app. So this is the interface of the Opay app: the home, the reward section where you redeem all your reward. The finance section is used for saving money, and I've saved over ₦1 million since I started using Opay app from my online teaching business. Also, you can make use of the card section where you can report any card issues. You can temporarily block your card. You can temporarily block your card in case your card is misplaced, or you can permanently delete your card from your account, making use of the card management. Okay, so come back to your home page and click on the transaction history. The transaction history, go over to download. Then ensure to put the specific month and the day in the specific month you want the Opay app to give your statement of account. You can manually do it, or you can automatically do that. And once that is done, you'll be taken to the interface where you'll be shown your email address. If your email address is okay, it is correct, go ahead and click on the confirm button. Put your payment pin, the pin you used to do transaction with on the Opay app. Put the payment pin and it will be sent directly to your email. But since this is an educational video, there's no need for that. Please like this video and leave a comment.